Hello all, in this video I'm going to show you some of Portergos qualities. So first of all, Portergos means portable Antergos. It has 64 bits and minimum requirements I actually don't know, but the oldest machine that I installed has 2 GB RAM memory and uses 8 GB space disk. It can boot legacy and EFI systems. It uses Arch, Antergos and Portergos repositories. That means you have a lot of packages to install. The ISO comes with 3 desktops pre-installed: XFCE4, Openbox and i3. You can choose one of them to boot at the first welcome screen. i3 is the one I use here, so it's the most developed one, okay? There are 2 installers. 2 online and 1 offline. So you can install Antergos using cnchi, and you can also install Portergos. This installer can install both online Portergos and offline Portergos, okay? The online option to install Portergos will give you multiple combinations. You can also use PowerPill, which downloads the packages much faster than the normal way to install the system, or the normal one. Of course you don't need to select everything, but you can if you want, and so you can construct the desktop exactly the way you like. You can also add extra packages, writing their names here, and also from AUR. If you have a package that you used to usually download, you can type the name here, okay? Regarding Antergos installer, is the Antergos installer itself. I didn't change anything, I simply downloaded from the repository and install in the ISO, okay? And regarding the offline installer, it uses dialog, which is a package that allows it to be used under user interface or under terminal, like I'm going to show you here, okay? So this is Portergos installer under user interface, and here you can install the system directly from the terminal. If you think you don't have enough RAM memory or you simply want to install the system, you can use this method. It's super fast. Antergos also has an option to clone the installed system from a flash drive or hard disk to another, like in this example here. You can clone the entire system, and then you have an extra step to install grub, so you can boot this system and take this USB drive or hard disk to another place, okay? There is also a new addition to be released with the next version, which allows you to use persistence in a USB drive or hard disk if you use the D command to install Portergos. I'm going to show you how this works in the next video. Portergos also comes with an utility called Portergos Utility. It's present here and can also be launched with keybinds mode P. Here you have some options like changing screen resolution. There are other options here too. You can launch File Manager, Internet, Text Editor, and important is some pacman options. If you're having trouble and you don't know exactly which commands you should use, you're having GPG error signatures, etc., you can use reflector, init, populate, refresh keys. If you are having trouble using key unknown, master key unknown, you can then use these options to fix your problem. I also saw some people in the forums, Antergos forums, having trouble to boot Antergos ISO, so I decided to add to Portergos the LTS kernel too. So if you can't boot with the normal kernel, the latest kernel from Arch repositories, you can try LTS kernel, okay? It also comes with Virtualbox packages installed. And Portergos repository also contains some themes, icons, and many other packages. You can check all the packages from the repository using this command. Then you can see all packages in the repository. Some people think that if you use the offline installer, you'll never be able to upgrade your system. I don't know why, but yes, you can install it. It's a rolling release, but you only use an offline installer. Since I release Portergos every month, you always have a system up to date. Just upgrade it again and it's all fine. Some of the packages that come pre-installed with Portergos are Opera browser and Light Firefox for browsing the internet. It comes with pacman, is the graphical interface to use pacman. Also comes with RNDR to change system resolution, network connections. Caffeine, I like this to prevent the system to lock the screen or to turn off the screen after some time. Many tools for XFCE and configuration about themes, icons. It comes with Nemo as a file manager, Redshift to change the bright of the screen, Conk Manager, ZIM Desktop. It's a wonderful tool to make your own notes. You can create many files and becomes really a big Wikipedia that you build yourself. Comes with Compton, Cleopatra to check key signatures. Mousepad is a text editor from XFCE. Text editor, this is Shed, is one of the best text editors out there. Play on Linux, Parcelite to record your copy and paste about text. It comes with AbiWord instead of LibreOffice because it's lighter. Ocular to read PDF files. Simple Scan. Pins and Color Paint to edit images. Nomax to view images. It also comes with FileZilla, transmission to download torrent files, and Steam. You get download from links, and I changed from using Thunderbird some time ago to Geary because it's light. Also comes with iStone ISO to mount ISOs, SM Player to listen to music and to watch videos, ISO Master, and some other tools. Okay. OB Logout is to log out, restart, shut down your system. You can add buttons or remove them if you want. It also comes with Antergos installer, you can launch it from here, Gparted, pacman manager and pacman updater, multi-writer to record USB drives. It comes with Virtualbox installed. Using Nemo as the file manager allows me to add some scripts. You can use terminal switcher to change this option open in terminal. If you don't like to use Tilex, which is the one I like, you can change from here. I also added a script to update Clam antivirus. It comes pre-installed too, and some of the most important shortcuts. It's different from Openbox and XFCE. It's different concerning i3 window manager, which uses the mode key. So some of these options are not present, but the conk will be different if you use other desktops, okay? So I think that's all for now, all that I had to show about Portergos. So thank you very much for watching the video. Goodbye.